In this video, I will show you how to create a Claude AI account step by step so you can start using it right away. To get started, open up a new internet browser. What you can do is either Google search for Claude AI or alternatively just come across to the official website. So if you come up to your address bar and type Claude.ai, that's going to take you to the official website. When you come across to the website, you're going to see a sign in box just down here. So what you can do is either continue with Google or you can just enter an email and sign up from scratch. So in this example, I'm just going to use my own email and then click the continue with email button. Now what it's going to do is ask you to check your email for a verification link or code. So here we are in my email. This is what the email from Claude looks like. You might need to check your junk email. Sometimes it does end up in your junk or spam. But from here, you just want to click the sign into Claude.ai button. So once you've given that a click, it's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, it's going to say, let's create your account. So you just need to agree to the terms and acceptable use policy. The next box is optional. This is just to subscribe to promotional emails and notifications, but you don't have to tick that if you don't want to. So once that's done, just click on to create account, and then what it's going to do is ask for your birthday. So this is just to help verify your account. So enter that and then click continue. And once you've done that, it's going to take you to a screen like this, showing all the different plans for Claude.ai. So there is a pro and a max plan, which is a paid subscription. But there is also a free version, which is what we're going to use for this example. So I'm just going to click use Claude for free. And you do have the option to download the desktop app on the next screen if you want to, but I'm just going to skip this for now. So there's one more setting you can choose to turn on or off, which is to allow the use of your chats and coding sessions to train and improve Claude. You can, of course, change this at any time in your privacy settings. For now, I'm just going to leave this turned on and click continue. Then it's going to ask you to enter your name. So this is basically what Claude's going to call you. And once you've done that, click onto the small arrow. And it's going to ask as well, what are you into? So you can pick 3 topics, for example, like coding, design, or you can just select I have my own topic at the bottom. So once that's done, you'll be taken to this screen where you can start using Claude. And you can see we've got the box at the bottom where you can start using Claude AI. If you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click and you can find some more things you can do with Claude. So you can find your settings, you can change your language, upgrade plan, get apps and extensions, and some other things as well. So that is how to create a Claude AI account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.